Hello, hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss what are the another binary operators, that is a relational operators. So relational operators are also called a binary operators, and these operators are used to compare two operands given in an expression. Okay, in the expression, if there are two constant values, if there are two variables, so it just compare those operands. Okay, and they also define the relationship between two constant values or two variables, right? And the result will be always in the expression as true or a false. Okay, either the result will be true or false. True means the value 1, false means the value 0. Okay, so basically relational operators are used to compare two operands in a expression. So basically there are 6 type of relational operators in C. Just in the table, just I have listed it out. In the first column operator, in the second column meaning, in third column precedence and associativity. Okay, so operator less than, operator is less than, and precedence is 1, associativity L2R, that is a left to right. Then second operator less than or equal to, less than or equal to, third greater than, fourth greater than or equal to, fifth equal to. So here equal to means double equal to sign you have to give. If you give only single equal to, it means a assignment operator. Okay, there is a difference between single equal to and a double equal to. Single equal to means it assigns the value of the variable. Double equal to means it compare two constant values or it compare two variables, right? And last one is a not equal to. Okay, explanatory symbol and a equal to sign. So these are the operator, and the precedence is for less than or equal to, greater than and greater than equal to, there are a precedence is 1, means the priority is 1, and for equal to and not equal to, the precedence or priority is 2, and always these operators are evaluated from left to right. Okay, so these are the operators. Here some examples I have given for a relational operator. First one is A is greater than B, X is equal to Y, number is not equals to 100, age is less than 25. So these are the example. Now we will see how these expressions are evaluated. Okay, means how the result will be displayed as true or a false. Okay, just assume A, B and a C. So these three variables I have taken here, the integer variables. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 1 respectively. Okay, so in the expression, in the first expression, A is greater than B. Okay, now tell me whether the result is true or a false. So according to the value of A, B, C, so we will display the result, that is true or a false, or a 1 or a 0. A means the value of A is 2, B means the value of B is 3. Okay, now tell me, is 2 is greater than 3? No, 2 is not greater than 3. Then the result of the expression is false. It means the value is 0. Understood? In the second example, A plus B less than C. A plus B means the value of A is 2, the value of B is 3. So just add these two values first. Okay, so here two expressions we have, A plus B and a less than C, but whatever the expression is given in the parenthesis, that will be evaluated first and then the second expression. Okay, so that always you keep in mind. So A plus B means 2 plus 3, 5, less than C. What is the value of C? 1. Is 5 is less than 1? No. So here also the condition get false, 5 is not less than 1, then the result is 0. Okay, so the third example, B is greater than C. What is value of B? 3. And what is the value of C? 1. Is 3 is greater than 1? Yes, then the result is true. As 3 is greater than 1, the value is displaying, or the result is displaying as 1. Okay, fourth one, C is equal to 1. What is the value of C? 1. Is 1 is equal to 1? Yes, the values of C is equal to 1 and the condition is also true, then result is 1. Okay, so in this just see how the expressions are evaluated depending on the condition. Okay, if it is true, then it print 1. If it is false, then it print 0. Okay. So here we will just see one example of a relational operator. So to program to check whether given two integers are equal, okay, only equal, not equal, lala, only equal, right? So hash include stdio dot h void main. So in this body of the program, I have initialized the value of x equal to 2 and the value of y is also equals to 2, and x and y are integer type of data. Okay, and the what condition we are given here? If x is equal to y, okay, if the condition is true, then only it print x and y are equal. What is the value of x? 2, equal to sign. What is the value of y? Again 2. So is 2 is equal to 2? Yes. If 2 is equal to 2, yes, then print x and y are equal. Suppose if you are given y is equal to 3, then x is not equals to y, but we are not printing that statement, just we are printing if x is equal to y, then only we are printing x and y are equal. We are not printing else part if it is not true. Okay, only we are printing if it is true, then only it print x and y are equal and close. And what is the output? X and y are equal. Okay, so this is one simple example of a relational operator. So this is about a relational operator. So relational operators are basically used to compare to constant values or to variables. Okay, so that is a comparison, less than or equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to, like that. Okay, if you are comparing something, then we use a relational operators. Okay, so here also you just write the whatever I have given in the slide. Okay, there is also any notes, any extra notes for this, just write whatever I have explained or whatever I have given in the slide. Okay, just try to analyze, try to trace the program. So these are simple programs I have given. Just take some value and from the first step to last step, try to trace the program and analyze it, then you will get the answer. Okay, if you are not getting, then personally you message me or call me, then we will discuss. Okay, so probably your college will going to start in a November month. Okay, let's see, right? So thank you.